An expert company in iron foundry with technology and integral solutions of high quality in the production of industrial parts from design to final product. Foundry, design and manufacture of patterns, machining service, quality lab, production capacity of 600 tons per month, punctual delivery times. Qualy Foundry Machining. We create great ideas with iron. Qualy Foundry and Machining was born in 1975 with the vision of offering our customers an excellent service and high-quality products in gray and ductile iron. We are an ISO 9001-2015 certified company. With 47,000 square meters of facilities, induction furnaces, CNC machining centers, design area, pattern shop, quality lab and melting capacity of 800 metric tons of gray and ductile iron castings, we are the best option for your company. Design and manufacture of patterns. We have 2 CNC machines assigned to our pattern shop where we have the capacity to manufacture new patterns in aluminum, urethane or wood. In addition, we have the capacity to store, repair and perform major and minor maintenance to the patterns under our custody so that the property of our customers is always protected. Foundry. We have 4 production lines with different casting processes to adapt to your needs. We have induction furnaces and the best technology in the industry to ensure that your products are always being produced with the best quality. Machining service. We have a wide variety of machines in our machining plant to offer our customers a complete solution. We work with 3, 4 and 5-axis CNC centers, as well as horizontal and vertical lathes to adapt to the strictest requirements. At Qualy, we have worked for large companies in Mexico and the United States. That is why we are ready with the needed experience to make your company one more of our success stories. Qualy Foundry Machining. We create great ideas with iron.